Shri Jayanto Barua ji, CMD of Pratidin Group, Shri Rishi Barua ji, Director of Pratidin Group, my friends from the media, distinguished ladies and gentlemen present here. मैं सबसे पहले पूर्वोत्तर भारत के युवा शक्ति के प्रतीक और रात दिन एक करके कड़ी मेहनत करने वाले असम के मुख्यमंत्री, लोकप्रिय मुख्यमंत्री श्री हिमंत बिश्व शर्मा का आप सबकी ओर से हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। I want to share a few experiences that I have had in my interactions with him. मुझे हिमंत भाई से मिलने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ जब ये मुख्यमंत्री नहीं थे और उस समय एक यंग फोर्स में जो एनर्जी होती है उसका मुझे आभास हुआ। वेरी डिसाइसिव, वेरी सॉल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड एंड एक्सट्रीमली एफिशिएंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ टाइम। लेकिन जब ये मुख्यमंत्री बन गए तो आई कॉल हिम नाउ द 24/7 चीफ मिनिस्टर। I can tell you, we have a 2,300 crore investment in Assam, which we made before Himanta Bhai became CM. But now we are making the largest private sector investment in Assam ever, which is 4,500 crores. And I am doing it only because I have the confidence in the vision of the Chief Minister. I want to tell you that such a big commitment was a huge step for us, but our experience really transformed the way we look at the state. I had a meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister with my team once in Guwahati, and it was 10 p.m. at night. And we were all thinking कि इतना late meeting हो गया, शायद सब थक गए होंगे, तो maybe 2 minutes just hello करके we can seek a time for tomorrow. But he and his team were absolutely fresh, and we were requesting कि sir ये इतना बड़ा project हम लगा रहे हैं उसके लिए कुछ infrastructure बनाना होगा. Some roads have to be made, some bypass roads had to be made also. So he called up the collector at 10:30, and I was really shocked. The collector picked up the phone and he said कि these are the few things that needs to be done, and please make sure that they are properly mapped and they are properly tracked. And I was really amazed that the way the state government worked was even better than the efficiency of the private sector. I think we have a lot to learn in terms of motivating our people and making them work so hard to achieve the vision of the state. The only thing CM Saab told me was whatever is in our scope we will do, but आप just ensure करिएगा कि आपका प्लान भी समय से पहले आ जाए और आपको कोई भी मदद चाहिए हो तो we are available. Now, we were very energized and charged up after the meeting, but after a few weeks, few months had passed, there was some issue, and I was talking to one of my officers, and they told me कि साहब ये जल्दी sort out कर रहे हैं नहीं तो हमारा project delay हो जाएगा. And वो Sunday का दिन था. So I took a chance and I called up the principal secretary. I was really amazed. He picked up the phone on a Sunday and he said, we are aware of this matter. We will sort it out in a few days. But you please also talk to the CM. So I said, Sunday, should I bother the CM right now? They said, no, we work 24/7. You can call him up anytime. I picked up the phone, called him on his mobile. He answered the phone immediately. And he said, Puneet ji, I'm aware of the matter. You don't worry. It will be sorted in 48 hours. And the matter was sorted in 24 hours. So I am really amazed at the work culture that has transformed the bureaucracy and the ministers of Assam, and I would encourage all the people who are looking at potentially their growth strategy to consider Assam as a very important part of their growth destination. Our Prime Minister has kept a vision of a $5 trillion economy. I truly believe that India will do well only if states do well. And states will do well only if we have dynamic chief ministers like Himanta Bhai. I would just say one more thing, that apart from being focused on development, there is also tremendous focus on green development. That means eco-friendly development. He also told us that please make sure that renewable energy is a very important part of your plan. And we have put up 29 megawatts of solar, and we're also putting up a waste heat recovery system of around 24 megawatts. So renewable energy is a very important part of our plan, and we are going to make one of the lowest carbon cements in this new plant that we are building there. I just want to say one last thing. आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने ये बोला है कि जो आज़ादी का अमृत काल है वो हर नागरिक के लिए कर्तव्य काल के रूप में परिवर्तित होना चाहिए. सो जिसमें जितनी क्षमता है, जिसका जितना रुझान है अपने फील्ड में, वो उस हिसाब से कार्य करके हमारे सपनों का भारत बनाए. एंड मैं यही सबसे अनुरोध करूँगा कि भारत की जो युवा शक्ति है, जो यंग डायनामिक पावर है, उसको यूज़ करके जिसका जिस फील्ड में जो क्षमता है वो अपने हिसाब से कर्तव्य करें और एक भारत को हमारे सपनों का भारत बनाएं.